Welcome back to the Canada Immigration Matters channel. Today we've got exciting news for construction workers out there dreaming of a better life in Canada. We have good news. On March 7th, 2025, Canada's Immigration Minister Marc Miller announced a groundbreaking new pathway to permanent residency for construction workers, addressing the country's critical labor shortages. Whether you're an undocumented worker, a temporary foreign worker, or someone looking to break into Canada's construction sector, this could be your golden ticket. And for those of you feeling discouraged about the upcoming Caregiver Pilot Program, this could be the consolation pathway you've been waiting for. At Chugo Immigration Services, we're regulated Canadian immigration consultants, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. So, stick around as we break down this new program, explore possible eligibility requirements, and share tips on how to start preparing right now. Let's dive in. Canada's construction industry is facing a massive labor shortage. 64,000 jobs need filling, according to recent estimates. To tackle this, the government announced two major changes on March 7, 2025, in Woodbridge, Ontario. First, they're reserving up to 6,000 permanent residency spaces for undocumented construction workers already in Canada. Second, effective immediately, qualified temporary foreign workers can now study in apprenticeship programs without needing a study permit. A game changer for those looking to upskill and stay long-term. Minister Miller also hinted at admitting up to 14,000 foreign construction workers, though details on whether these will be permanent or temporary pathways are still unclear. This builds on Canada's 2025-2027 Immigration Levels Plan, which prioritizes in-Canada workers to ease housing pressures while meeting labor needs. So, why now? Canada needs to build 6 million homes by 2030 to solve its housing crisis. And with 23% of residential builders already being immigrants, this sector is crying out for skilled talent. Now, if you've been eyeing the upcoming home care worker immigration pilots launching March 31st, 2025, but you may qualify, don't lose hope. Those pilots require a CLB-4 language level, a high school diploma, and caregiving experience, which not everyone has. Here's the good news. This new construction worker pathway offers an alternative. If you're an undocumented worker or a temporary foreign worker with construction experience, or even if you're willing to pivot to this in-demand field, this could be your chance at permanent residency. At Chugo Immigration Services, we're here to help you explore all your options, whether it's caregiving, construction, or another route to Canada. Let's talk briefly about what we know about eligibility requirements. While the government hasn't released official eligibility criteria yet, we can make some educated guesses based on past programs and the announcement's focus. Here's what we think you might need. Work experience. Likely at least 6 to 12 months of construction experience in Canada, similar to previous out-of-status worker pathways. This could include roles like bricklayers, roofers, or painters, occupations recently added to Express Entry's trades category. Current status. Undocumented workers already in Canada seem to be the priority, but temporary foreign workers with valid permits could also qualify, especially if enrolled in apprenticeships. Language skills. A basic level of English or French, maybe CLB 4 or 5, might be required, aligning with other economic programs. Intent to stay. You'll probably need to show you plan to live and work in Canada long-term, outside Quebec, which has its own immigration system. Job offer or skills. A job offer from a Canadian employer or proof of apprenticeship enrollment could boost your chances. Back in 2020, a similar program for out-of-status construction workers in the GTA saw 1,365 people gain PR by November 2024. Expect this new pathway to expand nationwide with a cap of 6,000 spots, meaning it'll be competitive. Stay tuned for updates as the Advisory Council, made up of government, union, and industry leaders, fleshes out the details. Connection to Express Entry and Trades category. Let's not forget, IRCC also revamped the Express Entry Trades category just a week earlier on February 27, 2025, adding 19 new occupations including construction managers, bricklayers, roofers and shinglers, floor covering installers, painters, decorators, and construction estimators. So, if you're not in Canada yet, Express Entry Trades category might be your alternative route. And we at Chugo Immigration can help you explore both options. What should you start doing now? With only 6,000 spots anticipated and a rush expected once the program launches, preparation is key. Here's what you can do now. Gather documents. Start collecting proof of your construction work, pay stubs, contracts, or employer letters. Even if you're undocumented, every bit of evidence counts. Boost language skills. If you're not at CLB 4 yet, enroll in English or French classes. Online courses are a great start. Explore apprenticeships. Temporary foreign workers can now study without a permit, so look into construction apprenticeships in your area to strengthen your application. Get an ECA. If a high school diploma becomes a requirement, get your education credentials assessed now through an educational credential assessment. It takes time, so don't delay. Stay informed. Follow Chugo Immigration Services and official IRCC updates. We'll keep you posted as details emerge. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so don't wait for the official announcement to act. The early bird gets the PR. That's it for today's deep dive into Canada's new construction worker pathway. Whether you're swinging a hammer or caring for others, Chugo Immigration Services is your trusted partner in making your Canadian dream a reality. As regulated Canadian immigration consultants, we offer personalized guidance to navigate these new programs and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for the latest immigration updates. Until next time, keep building your future. See you soon. Thanks for watching.